This is Brian Dolby reporting from the Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, where I'm talking to Richard Lord of Altobridge. Richard, you're the CTO there, and I think you've got some great news this week with Indosat.
Yes, we're very pleased to announce that we have signed a contract with Indosat. We are supplying them with our equipment out in the island of Sulawesi, which is an extremely remote area in Indonesia. We are covering a number of communities out there. We're providing them with a GSM solution using satellite backhaul, and we're providing our latest technology to them, which is giving them the benefit of a very easy to install low-cost system, very power efficient, 100% solar powered, and making very efficient use of the satellite backhaul.
And what are they going to do with that? What are the benefits the local community are going to achieve out of this?
These are communities that have no communications facilities at all today. We are bringing them straight into the 21st century, providing voice, messaging and data services to these communities who have had nothing before. The reason they've had nothing before is because these communities are too small to actually justify traditional cellular coverage, whereas our solution is targeted to small communities and providing them with a return on investment in a short period of time.
That's fantastic. Now, you actually do quite a lot in satellite. Tell us a bit about the company. It's the first time we've had the chance to interview you.
Well, most of our products are satellite-based and most of our deployments are satellite-based. We started off in 2003 providing systems to airlines for aircraft, so letting people use their phones on aircraft. That's where we learnt our trade, because the aircraft satellite systems are extremely expensive to use and very low bandwidth. We took that product and we redeveloped it for maritime industry, so there are over 500 ships using our system, all satellite-based, roaming all over the world. And now we have several hundred systems deployed in terrestrial markets as well, and that's a really big growth sector for us, because operators are trying to push their networks out to more and more rural areas where there are low population densities. And because of the efficiencies we introduce with our system, the operators can now make money out of these small communities where they couldn't in the past.
Yes, I mean, I know that getting out to rural areas is a big focus. The Broadband Forum, for example, are seeing rural as somewhere where broadband can go to next.
Exactly. And I mean, operators all over the world have been contributing to universal service obligation funds and, not really getting any benefit or not being able to pull the money back out of those funds. With this type of technology, we can bring 2G, 3G, 4G services into remote communities, and that allows operators to start drawing down on some of these universal service funds, and it helps the regulators achieve their goals of bringing broadband communications out to the remote communities.
Well, Richard, congratulations, and I'm sure we're going to be hearing from Altobridge in the near future.
Thank you very much. Thanks.